Hello everybody, welcome back to the second video of this series called How to Overcome the Most Common Obstacles and Misconceptions of Meditation. It's great to have you here with me. In the last video, I demystified 3 of the common myths of meditation. In this video, I'd like to uncover 3 more for you so you can learn how to develop a long-lasting meditation practice and transform your health and your well-being. The 3 myths that I'd like to demystify for you in this video are: myth number 1, there is only one type of meditation suitable for everybody. Then I'll be uncovering myth number 2, meditation is all about just repeating secret mantras all the time. And then finally myth number 3, meditation is all about just being in the present moment all the time. Now it's very important that you learn how to overcome these misconceptions of meditation, because it will take your meditation practice to a whole new level. Now the truth is that mantra meditations and just being in the present moment techniques are components of a vast myriad of methodologies that were created by the ancient yogis. To really transform your life, it's important to understand that meditation is more than just one single practice. So whether you're a monk, a seasoned meditator, or you're new to meditation, if you've tried to meditate before and you're not getting the results that you've always wanted, I know how you feel. I've been there too. So allow me to give you more and more insight so you can start making the positive changes that you desire in your life. Now before we start, I want to be totally honest right from the start. I've had extensive training in various meditation techniques, and I've practiced the above 2 that I mentioned many times myself over the last 15 years. And I still practice these techniques today, and I have received benefits. However, the problem is that in today's society, many meditation gurus advocate that just one of their techniques is what meditation is all about. It's what all you need to do, and just their one technique will skyrocket your success. Now, I believe they've simply omitted many of the myriad of powerful meditation techniques that the Buddha and the other ancient yogis devised. So let's start to overcome these myths. Myth number 1, there is only one type of meditation suitable for each person. Numerous meditation techniques are designed to produce different psychological states. The truth is, depending on your personality, your needs, or temperament in your life, you might need to practice one specific form of meditation more than another, or more than likely a sequence of meditation techniques. For example, the Buddha's Four Noble Truths has 4 components, and it also integrates what is called the Eightfold Path, which has an extra 8 components. Now, mindfulness and perhaps just being in the present moment is just one of these 12 components. So if you're practicing mindfulness, for example, and you're skipping out all the rest of the techniques in the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, you're simply just missing out. One of my meditation teachers, who was a Theravada Buddhist monk, described it like this: if you have a 12-spoked wheel and you only have one spoke in the wheel, then the wheel will simply not turn and it will break down. So this demonstrates the importance of learning to practice the rest of the techniques that the Buddha taught in this specific case, for example. So let's move forward to the next myth. Meditation is all about just repeating secret mantras all the time. While mantra meditation techniques such as transcendental meditation do have benefits, once again, it's just one technique out of the countless other meditation techniques that were in the ancient wisdom texts such as the Vedas. For the modern world that we live in today, you need to practice additional techniques as well. For example, you can practice analytical meditation techniques, which uses reason and logic to understand your mind's thinking processes and to make wiser decisions. And then you can also furthermore practice what is called focused attention meditation techniques, visualization techniques to redirect and to train your mind to become the creator of your destiny. Now, I do go deep into specifically how to practice these meditation techniques for you in my book that's called The Art and Science of Mastering Meditation. So that leads us to myth number 3. Meditation is all about just being in the present moment. For many, the word meditation might be synonymous with mindfulness, or just being in the present moment. Now, it seems like every article and book on meditation places a lot of emphasis on just experiencing the present moment. Now, there's nothing wrong with the present moment and being mindful. It's a very useful technique, and I practice this myself. However, the challenge is that if you're just practicing this one technique, how can you possibly train your mind to create new learnings, new habits, new neural pathways that create long-lasting change? How can you overcome habits? See, many meditation teachers teach the same old thing, and they encourage their students to put aside past experiences, to put aside thinking about the future. They encourage their students to not make any plans or have any dreams, and just to embrace the here and now. As a result, many people get frustrated and they cannot meditate and they lose hope. So if you're challenged with this concept, I know how you feel. The truth is that we are human beings, and it's normal and natural for us as a human being to have hopes and dreams, and you should always have them. So I believe that the idea on just focusing in the present moment has been overemphasized. Being in the present, just like one of the aspects you'll need to focus on if you wish to learn how to meditate and make the positive changes in your life. Real change occurs at the subconscious level of the mind. For example, have you ever tried to consciously create a new habit while being present? And you consciously said to yourself, you're going to make something happen. And it never happens. That's why you need to practice further meditation techniques that dive deep into your subconscious mind. Now, this is where real change occurs. In fact, there are times when being in the present moment might be the exact opposite thing that you wish to do in your meditation practice. For example, if you wish to achieve a meditative state in order to explore perhaps a childhood memory that might have been holding you back all your life, then pushing thoughts away and just focusing on the present moment and rejecting what is arising in your mind won't help you overcome this experience and desensitize yourself to this experience. Furthermore, the human mind has simply evolved by reflecting on the past, making plans, and envisaging a better future. Humanity would not be alive today if our ancestors just focused exclusively on their present moments. Now, additionally, it's much easier to achieve a state of mental calm in the present moment after you purify your mind of unwanted memories and you have a clear vision for your future. Meditation is not just about being in the present moment. It's about exploring your entire past, present, and the future, and developing a clear vision for your future and living your lives to the fullest and to your potential. And that's exactly what the Buddha and the ancient yogis actually did. So just to recap, there's nothing at all wrong with these individual techniques mentioned. However, if you just practice one of them and skip out all of the other wonderful, powerful techniques, you're missing out, and you'll more than likely be challenged and frustrated with your meditation practice, and you won't get the results that you desire. Real meditation goes way beyond living in the present moment and just practicing mindfulness or mantras. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to share or like, and by the way, if you'd like to discover more about meditation, there should be a link somewhere on this page to discover more about my book called The Art and Science of Mastering Meditation. This ebook has some gold nuggets of information in it that might just change the path of your life forever. On top of that, on top of the great information in the book also comes with a really good 5-day meditation masterclass series where I walk you through various meditation methodologies, from how to model the secret formula that the Buddha first taught to his disciples after attaining enlightenment, to how to tune into higher states of consciousness to guide you on your life's journey. So thanks for watching. Take care. Hope to see you soon.